Guys, you're watching my YouTube channel Quick Learning. Today I'm going to discuss about the software which is Netbeans. But before going to detail of Netbeans, go and subscribe my YouTube channel Quick Learning. Install Netbeans software on your PCs as I already have installed it on my PC. Here you can see the icon through my cursor, which is Netbeans IDE 8.2. Open the Netbeans. Today we will describe and we will learn how to create a new project. This video is basically for beginners who don't know how to use Netbeans for coding purposes. Just click on File on the leftmost side on your desktop. Click on File. Here you can see various options, but you have to create a new project, so click on New Project. By default, C or C++ is selected. If you want to change, you can select any other, but I am going to write my code in C language, so it is right for me. Here you can select C or C++ application, then go on next. You can give any name to your program, as I am giving it my program. You can give any name by your choice, for example my creativity, first program, lecture, etc., whatever you want. By default, this create main file is selected. If you unmark this checkbox, then your main will not be created. That would cause some problem for you, that for beginners who don't know how to use this Netbeans to write program. So by default it is marked. I'm going to write my program in C language, so it is by default C. I'm not going to change it, but if you want to change and writing code in other languages, you can go in drop down menu and select any other. Okay, just finish it. Your new program having the name of my program is created, and you can see on your left side. Go in source file. By double clicking, your main file will be open. Just double click on this. Here is the main area where you can write your code. You don't have to do with these lines. Okay, between these curly lines you have to write your code. For example, I am writing the code as I have the I'm declaring the data type int with the variable x, for example, and initiating it with the value of 10. There is a main syntax of different languages, so you have to follow this. If you are not going to follow this, you will suffer from various errors. So you should know about the syntax of language which you are going to use. Okay, I am using the C language, so I know what is the syntax. So just I have to give the command of print. So print f small brackets, and into small brackets you have to give these quotation marks, and I'm just writing my number is %d, which will give you the value, and variable in which 10 value is stored is x. Now just run your program to see your output. Run, the icon is here. You just have to click on this and your program will be run. Here under this, in output command, you can see your program is running. It is successful run, but it is not showing you any output. Why? There is a reason behind this. It is not showing you output, and newcomers and new users of Netbeans become panic. Why I cannot see my output? So for this purpose, just watch this video and you can solve your problem easily. Go onto your program having the name of my program, and just right click on this and go at the bottom where properties is written. click on properties, you can see run is written here. Click on this. We don't have to work on the console with internal terminal. We are concerned with external or either with standard output, so you can choose either of any of them. So I'm going to choose this external terminal and just OK. Now I'm going to run my program again. I have changed just console. Let's see what is the output. Here you can see my output is my number is 10, but there is a difficulty in reading because the very next line, which is by default written, is coming just after this. So for this purpose, what we have to do is just write here a command printf for going on next line, which is /n. Let's see now output. Click on this icon to run. Now output will come. Here you can see the very next line, which was just after the line which I want to show and which I want to print, is now under that. There is a gap of one line, so you can easily write your code and you can easily create your code by following these steps. So I hope you like this video and it is helpful for new beginners, for newcomers. So for more videos related to Netbeans, coding, any other softwares and any other topic, just subscribe my channel Quick Learning. Thank you.